video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these fake raccoon or faux raccoon slides or whatever you call it. So here I have a pair of my old Adidas slides. I probably had these about 2 years. Don't really wear them. I'm going to have my scissors to cut the boa and the boa itself. And I got this from Michael's. It was about $7. I have some old E6000 glue. This is literally the best glue. It gets on your jewels, everything. And it's kind of like leaking out because I don't have any more left. And you'll need a T-pin. So the T-pin is to get the E6000 out just in case it gets stuck. Probably won't, but... So you're going to get the slide. And you're going to measure it from each side, of course. And I'm going to put it on the white lines. So I'm going to cut the little rope piece off that you're going to tie around your neck or whatever. And then I'm going to measure it from each side of the slide. And I'm going to go all the way down to bottom of the slide. So where you're actually going to be walking like the ground. Because you don't want to have it just at the top and then you see the lines and be like, okay, she got some fake slides. No. So with that, you're going to get that, measure it, put the glue on the line. And this glue can get really messy and it does dry really quick. It's not really like a hot glue gun where it gets hot and then it stays warm. No, this stuff literally dries so quick. It gets tacky so quick. So you have to move fast. Sorry if you hear planes in the background. I'm editing outside, so I'm sitting on my patio. But you're going to make sure you put the E6000 on the entire slide, on whichever line you're going to start putting it on, either the white line or the black line, whichever one you decide. And once you get that completely lathered up with the glue, that's when you're going to start putting the bow on. And as you can see, the whole time I've been talking, I was having a hard time because it's old, so it's been running out. So then you're going to take the boa and you're going to stick it on the side all the way at the end. And you're going to press down as hard as you can, because if you don't, it won't stick. Then you're going to do both sides and you're just going to press down on it and get it firm. Make sure you press down as hard as possible just so you get the best stick. Ooh, that plane. Oh my Jesus. I took a long time to edit this. I am so sorry, y'all. But yeah, so once you have it, you're going to go ahead and put the bow on. Press down as hard as you can. And then the first layer will be done, as you can see. And once you do that, you're just going to repeat it. And make sure you press the feathers back as far as possible because the glue will get stuck to it and then you won't be able to put the boa on itself. So we're just going to repeat this step until the shoe is done. here is the finished product of the slides. They came out really good, really pretty. They only took me about 20 minutes total after I did the second shoe, but they came out pretty nice. So I really can't wait to wear them, to be honest. So here are what they look like on my feet. I don't have a cute outfit on, so yeah, bye guys.